Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're talking about the importance of sunscreen because many people feel the only time to use sunscreen is when there is sun. If I'm going to a bank or I'm working in a bank, I shouldn't use sunscreen. So today this video will tell how true to that statement is. Whether is it true that you should only use sunscreen when you're entering the sun, or you should on a consistent use the sunscreen. So first thing first, is it up or anyhow you must sit somewhere. What is sunscreen? Sunscreen can stand as a barrier between our skin and UV, which is the ultraviolet radiant. It stands as a barrier. It helps is a barrier.
Oh my
Any
god.
object that's going to attack our skin, any chemical that's going to attack our skin direct. The sunscreen is starting as a barrier. It's starting as a barrier, it's starting at a different point. So with that being said about sunscreen, so what exactly is the work of sunscreen? What are the importance consider? A lot of important there are a lot of things the sunscreen does for our skin, but we're looking at just three or more. First is protection against sunburn. That is what everybody feel. The one everybody feel is the work of sunscreen, which is absolutely not true. They feel, oh, the only work sunscreen does is to protect you from sun. It helps to protect your face from sunburn. Whenever I see this redness, tan redness, you are having this redness. So it helps, sunscreen helps protect your face from sunburn, which can lead to a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things. Getting sunburn is quite easy, but treating it is it's very stressful. Sometimes it take 3 months. The thing is standing there, it's sitting like Jagaban it used to go. So it protects our skin against sunburn, not only the face, but the body. You start feeling redness. You see a lot, a lot, a lot. We're not going into the type of sunburn. Secondly, it helps prevent skin cancer. Our body is quite exposed to a lot of chemical. A lot of chemical. You say, oh, okay, I'm in an environment that has AC, or an environment that there's no obviously reflection of the sun. So for that reason, I'm not going to use a sunscreen. Every environment you have has this chemical, and the work of sunscreen is to prevent your body coming in direct contact with those chemicals, those environment pollution. So that's why it's advisable you use sunscreen on a daily, on a day. Those of you that keep saying, because I'm not entering the sun, I shouldn't. You are wrong, because you are exposing to your skin to a lot of damages that can lead to skin cancer. So sunscreen help prevent skin cancer. So please use sunscreen, whether you are entering the bank or you're not entering the bank, or whether you are going to stay under direct, because most of us feel, I'm not going to stand under the sun directly, so I don't need sunscreen. It's not true. So it helps prevent skin cancer. So please, from today, get a sunscreen. If you don't have, go to my website and get from there. And thirdly, sunscreen help reduce the appearance of aging. It helps reduce the appearance of aging. Ages come with wrinkles, it come with face dryness, body dryness. You just see that I don't know what is happening, but I feel my skin is dry. Aging comes with it. And the work of sunscreen is it reduces it makes it invisible. One they can even, like, when you're a consistent member of using sunscreen, you don't expect things like that. You don't expect things like that. So it helps in reducing wrinkles, it helps in reducing redness, face dryness. You can name it iceberg, veins that come with aging. Aging has a lot of ups and downs that comes with it. So the use of sunscreen, consistent use of sunscreen, help in reducing aging, visibility of aging. Talk about tips on how to use sunscreen, the best way to use sunscreen. First, a daily use. It should be a daily use, something you use on a regular. It's not something you use today to me and not using. Sunscreen should be a daily use. Or you can, the normal thing is to use it as a last thing on your skin routine, whether body routine or your face routine. It should be the last thing to use. But sometimes people are being on a rush, so they ask question like, I just finished, I'm on a rush, should I just use? Yes, but please don't do it on a regular. Don't do it like, it should be something that happened mistakenly. It's not something that happened on a regular, because it's it's a protector. It's not, it does not do anything, so that it will not break down your sunscreen. Is just a protector. So you skipping the right process to just apply sunscreen on a regular, on a consistent, can damage your skin. Sure you get. So it should be something that should be done mistakenly, please, but it's not advisable. It's not, don't try this at home. Don't try it at home. No, then reapplying of sunscreen. It's something like you sweat and you tapped your face. The advice is reapply, and applying you make use of um sun stick. Is a oh, sorry, I didn't get it prepared. I will drop the picture. I will drop a picture or something. If I didn't drop a picture, I'll just write the name. Stick. You should use it. It helps. Is a reapplier sunscreen. You use it easily. It's not the tube. It's not the tube one that you apply. And again, enough. Use enough. Don't be scared. Use enough. Except you are using the one that will give you half white cast. But make sure you're getting a good sunscreen that does not give white cast, because I don't know why you're getting something that have white cast. If you get a recommendation from the right person, I believe the person will give you sunscreen that has white cast. Apply enough, like the right portion. The best way to measure sunscreen is your two finger, from half of it up, like this two finger. You should put it from here to here, just half. Should be half. Then that is the normal size you should use on your face. But it should be reapplied. Use enough. Then make sure you're using the right sunscreen that contain the right SPF for your environment. Every environment have different SPF that will work. There are some environments you need nothing less than 60. There's some you need as much as 100. There's some you need as less as 35. So make sure you're using the right portion of sunscreen containing the right portion of SPF you need for your environment.
So don't forget, sunscreen is a must on a daily basis thing. Still I'm sweating. I'm supposed to on something. Sunscreen is a must on a daily basis something. So make sure you have your sunscreen in your bag as you're going out. Go with it. Whether you're going to stay under the sun or not, please make sure you are using a sunscreen on your body, on your face, whatever. Make sure you're using it. Get, because this can save a lot. It's easier to prevent than to treat, because when cancer comes in, when skin burns come in, just name them. When there's a chemical reaction in your skin because there's no protection, you spend a lot treating it than preventing it. So please, and don't forget to like, to share my video. Peace out. I see the man you're getting, well, good. I love you so much. I love you from my heart.